Hello kids, in this session we are learning about divisibility rules for the numbers 2, 3, 5, 9 and 10. Okay, what do you mean by divisibility? If you divide one number by another, the result is a whole number without a remainder, then we can say one number is divisible by another number. For example, 12 is dividing with 2. What you will get? 6, right? So that means no remainder. So we can say it is divisible. 15 divided by 5 gives the number 3 and remaining no number. So that means that is also divisible. If 13 divided by 4, when you are doing it, you will get 3.25, right? So that means what? It is not, and you get a reminder when you are dividing. So we can say it is not divisible. What is the rule for 2? A number is divisible by 2 if it has any of the digits 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 on its ones place. That means what? We can say any number is divisible by 2 if that number ends with 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. Or we can say any even number is divisible by 2. For example, 78. Which number is on its ones place? 8. So 8 is an even number. So we can say 78 is divisible by 2. What about 470? Which number is there? 0. 470 is divisible by 2. 145. So the digit on its ones place is 5. Is it here? No, it is not in this list. So that means what? It is not divisible. Okay. 5. Here, a number is divisible by 5 means its units place digit must be 5 or 0. For example, 575. It is divisible by 5 because its units place is 5. 197. Which digit is on units place? 7, right? So, this number is not divisible. 60. As the digit on its units place is 0, we can say it is divisible. Then, test for 10. For 10, of course, all the numbers ends with 0. We can say that number is divisible by 10. For example, 78, it is not divisible. 470, it is divisible. So, what we learned? If a number has 0 in its ones place, we can say it is divisible by 10. If its ones place have the numbers either 0 or 5, then we can say it is divisible by 5. And for 2, it has any of digits 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in its ones place. Okay. Check the divisibility for 2, 5 and 10. So we can check which number. Yes, it is 5. Is it? So 4 is it divisible by 2? No, it is not divisible. And what about 5? As it is 5, we can say yes. For 10, we need 0 at its ends place. So it is not. And for this one, 450. Which one has its units place? 0. So 0, if it ends with 0, we can say it is divisible by 2. And it is divisible by 5. And it is divisible by 10 also. And next number, which one is in its units place? 4. Okay. So as 4 is divisible by 2, yes, we can say this number is divisible by 2. And for the 5, what was the test? 5 or 0 will be there. Is it? No. So, no. And for 10 also not divisible. And here which number? 1.
1.
Number 1. So is it divisible by 2? No. Is it divisible by 5?
No.
No. Is it divisible by 10?
Yes.
Okay. Next. Which number is divisible by 2 here? 57? No. 146?
Yes.
Yes. You can check. You got it. Okay. Next is divisibility rule for 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of digits is divisible by 3. For example, number 75. Number 75, when you are adding the digits 7 and 5, what we will get? 12. So 12 is divisible by 3, right? So we can say 75 is also divisible by 3. Next one, 362. First you have to find sum of digits. 3 plus 6 plus 2 equal to 11. As 11 is not divisible by 3, we will get a remainder. So 362 is not divisible by 3. Okay. Next is the rule for 9. Same as 3, we are checking the sum of digits here also. If we are getting the sum as the multiple of 9, we can say the given number is divisible by 9. Okay. For example, 963. When we are adding the digits, we are getting 18, right? So we can say 963 is divisible. Next. Is the number 758 is divisible by 9? Can we say like that? Check. No. Why? Because the sum of digits is 7 plus 5 plus 8. We will get 20. As 20 is not divisible, we can say 758 is not divisible.
Not divisible.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what we learned for 3 and 9? The sum of digits is multiple of 3. We can say the number is divisible by 3. And if the sum of digits is multiple of 9, then the number is divisible by 9. Okay. So we can check some. What is it? How can we do it? Okay. So what we will do? 5 and 4. Add 5 and 4. What you will get? 5 plus 4 is 9. Is 9 is divisible by 3? Yes. And 9 is divisible by 9? Yes. So we can say 54 is divisible by 3 and 9. Next, 2, 3 and 7. 237. First find the sum. So what will we get the sum? 2 plus 3 plus 7 is 12.
12.
Is 12 is divisible by 3? Yes. Is 12 is divisible by 9? No. Okay, number 3415. When you are adding, what you will get? 13. So 13 is divisible by 3? No. Is 13 is divisible by 9? No. 2 plus 7 plus 0 plus 0. Which number you will get? Number 9.
Number 9.
Okay. So as the 9 is divisible by 3, we can say it as divisible, and this also divisible. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, friends.
Thank you, friends.